Dear viewers, welcome to our channel Tamil Padikalam. Learn to read and write Tamil. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so as to receive notifications on further uploads. In the first 3 videos, we learned to write and read the 12 vowels, that is 12 உயிர் எழுத்துகள். They are A, A, I, I, U, U, A, I, O, O, Au. You might have noticed that the vowels A, I, U, A and O require shorter duration to pronounce, which is 1 nodi, nearly 1 second. They are called short vowels or kuril. The vowels A, I, U, A, I, O and Au require longer duration to pronounce, 2 nodigal, nearly 2 seconds. They are called long vowels or nidil. In this video, let us get introduced to the 18 consonants, மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். They are given the table below, but we will learn them one by one, not in this order, but in the order of easy to a little harder. First comes the consonant it. It is the simplest consonant to write. Just English alphabet, capital letter L with a dot over it. Now let us see how to write it. One vertical line, then a horizontal line with a dot on the top. So simple. So this is it. It combines with A and produce the sound ta. A combines with it and produces the sound ta. The மெய் எழுத்து it and the உயிர் எழுத்து a combine together produce the உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து ta. It plus a is ta. Now look at the word a, ta, ada. Though it doesn't carry any meaning, it conveys some expression of feeling. Ada, ada, it is so easy to read Tamil. Similarly, it combines with a and produces the sound ta. A combines with it and produces the sound ta. It மெய் எழுத்து, a உயிர் எழுத்து, combine together produce ta, the உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து. It plus a is ta. Now let us see how to write ta. So first vertical line, horizontal line. So this is ta. We suffix the notation, a vertical line, a horizontal line and a vertical line. So this notation is suffixed to ta. This notation is similar to that of a inverted tin. It is also called துணை எழுத்து. So this is ta. Now look at the word a, ta, ta, adada. Though it does not carry any meaning, it conveys some expression of feeling. Adada, oh my God, so long I have missed this beautiful language. Now we have learned the consonant, that is body letter it, and the life body letters உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் ta and ta, and the words ada and adada. Similarly, when E combines with it, we get T as in tin, and when E combines with it, we get T as in team. It combines with the உயிர் எழுத்து E and produce the உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து T. Now let us practice writing T. So first we write ta, and then from the middle we write the symbol something like a hook. So this is T. It combines with E and produce the letter T. To write T, first we write ta, and then from the middle of the horizontal line we take a circular arc with a small circle in it. So this is T. When U combines with it, we get 2 as in today, and when U combines with it, we get 2 as in tour. It combined with U gives 2. To write 2, first we draw a vertical line, then from the middle of the vertical line we take a circular arc like this. So this is 2. It combines with U and produces the sound 2. To write do, first we write do, a vertical line, and from the middle of the vertical line a circular arc going to the top, and then a small circle at the tip. So this is 2. It combines with the vowels A, I, O and Au and produces the following உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். See the table. It combines with A and produces the sound te. It combines with A and produces sound te as in tape. It combines with I and produces sound tie. It combines with O and produces sound to as in tobacco. It combines with O and produces sound to. It combines with ow and produces sound tau. Now let us see how to write te, to. Te is written with a symbol called ஒற்றைக்கொம்பு prefixed to the letter ta. ஒற்றைக்கொம்பு symbol is a small circle with a curve extending upwards, then a vertical line. A small circle, a circular arc, then a vertical line. So this is ஒற்றைக்கொம்பு. It is suffixed with ta. This is te. Te is written with a இரட்டைக்கொம்பு symbol prefixed to the letter ta. இரட்டைக்கொம்பு is nothing but a C, capital C, with 2 small circles at the beginning and at the end. A small circle, then C and another small circle. This is இரட்டைக்கொம்பு. It is suffixed with ta. So this is te. Now to, ஒற்றைக்கொம்பு followed by ta. ஒற்றைக்கொம்பு suffixed with ta. This is to. To is இரட்டைக்கொம்பு suffixed with ta. இரட்டைக்கொம்பு suffixed with ta. This is to. Now let us see how to write tie and tau. Tie is written with ta prefixed with a symbol called இரட்டைச்சுழி. Irate chuli is a small circle, a semicircular arc with a loop and another semicircle. A small circle, a semicircular arc with a loop and another semicircular arc. It is suffixed with ta. This is tie. Tau is ஒற்றை கொம்பு suffixed with ta and la. This la we have already seen in our second video when we learnt wu. So this is actually a consonant which we will deal with later. The மெய் எழுத்து it combines with the உயிர் எழுத்து a to produce the உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து ta. Similarly, it combines with the other உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள் and produce another 11 உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள், namely ta, tt, tutu, tete, tai, toto and tau. In the next videos, we shall see other மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் and the உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் corresponding to them. Concept conceived and presented by Professor A. Muttarasu. Design and editing by my daughter Nandini Arasi. Thank you. Nandri.